Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify gift cards, an easy method for both merchants and customers. Gift cards are a fantastic way to offer flexible payment options and boost sales. We'll cover everything from purchasing to redeeming, ensuring you understand the entire process. Whether you're buying one for a friend or using one yourself, this guide will make it simple and straightforward. Let's dive in and explore the convenience of Shopify gift cards. Purchasing a Shopify gift card is incredibly simple. First, visit the store's website and find the gift card product page. You can usually choose from several denominations, often ranging from $10 to $500, or even custom amounts. Once you've selected your desired value, simply add it to your cart and complete the checkout process like any other product. The recipient will then receive an email with their unique gift card code, ready for use. Redeeming a Shopify gift card is just as easy as buying one. When you're ready to make a purchase, proceed to the checkout page. Look for the designated field labeled gift card or discount code. Here, you'll enter the unique 16-character code that was sent to your email. Once applied, the gift card's value will automatically deduct from your order total. If your gift card covers the full amount, you're all set. Otherwise, you can pay the remaining balance. Managing your Shopify gift card balance is straightforward. After using a gift card, any remaining balance stays active for future purchases. You can easily check your current balance by clicking the link provided in the original gift card email. This link will take you to a dedicated page showing your remaining funds. This flexibility means you don't have to spend the entire amount at once, making gift cards a convenient and versatile payment method for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.